Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zigbee devices to Home Assistant using Sonoff dongle step by step clearly. To connect Zigbee devices to Home Assistant using a Sonoff dongle, start by gathering all necessary items. You will need a Sonoff Zigbee dongle, your computer, and a stable internet connection. Begin by connecting the Sonoff Zigbee dongle to your computer's USB port. Then, power on your Home Assistant instance. Access the Home Assistant web interface using your preferred browser. Log in to your Home Assistant account. Next, navigate to the Supervisor tab on the left-hand menu. In the Supervisor panel, select the Add-on Store option. Search for the Zigbee Home Automation add-on, commonly referred to as ZHA. Click on the ZHA add-on to access its details page. Here, click the Install button to initiate the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete, and then click on the Start button to run the add-on. Once it's running, click on the Open Web UI button to access the ZHA configuration interface. Now, you need to configure the ZHA add-on. Select the Configure option located in the bottom right corner. In the configuration window, locate the device drop-down menu. Select your Sonoff Zigbee dongle from the list. Make sure the serial port is correctly identified. Typically it will look like /dev/ttyusb0 or similar. Adjust any additional settings as required for your specific setup. Then, click on the Save button to apply all changes. Return to the ZHA dashboard and ensure the dongle is properly communicating with Home Assistant. Now, it's time to add your Zigbee devices. Put your Zigbee devices in pairing mode as per their specific instructions. On the ZHA dashboard, click on the Add Device button. Home Assistant will begin searching for any new Zigbee devices. Once detected, follow the prompts to complete the pairing process. Repeat this for each Zigbee device you wish to connect. After all devices are added, check their status on the ZHA dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.